Hello all, welcome back for another video. So to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a Peugeot RCZ 2012 building year. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the range indicator popping up when you turn the ignition onto the second position. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service to Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, turn the ignition back to the second zero position. Then there is an indicator. There is a button over here, the 000 button. Press that. Keep that button pressed. Then turn the ignition to the second position. While you press the button, you'll see that there is a timer counting back from 10 to 0. And when it reaches 0, you can release the button and the indicator won't pop up anymore. Do the check. Ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll see that the range indicator popping up for resetting the service indicator is gone. That was it for this video. I want to thank you watching our videos. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any tips and tricks, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, bye bye.